So my plan for today was to go out in the van and go over things that I don't leave home without. It's ridiculously windy and cold here today, and my van's kind of a mess because I'm working on upper cabinets too. So plans have been aborted for that. And one thing I am going to do today, though, is the old mosquito net door. One of the things that I would say is something I want to have with me at all times, especially in the Upper Peninsula, Michigan, and the North Shore of Minnesota, and up in Wisconsin during May and June, and sometimes longer. The black flies and the mosquitoes will eat you alive. So these are held with magnets at the center. Sorry, what a mess here. And that works great. However, they come with Velcro, and I had Velcro around the door rim, but with the weather changes, it just doesn't stick. It comes off, and it drives me nuts. So what I thought I might try, and this may be crazy, is to take washers and sew them to the top edge. And then these are some of my favorite things, these screw-in cup hooks. These screw-in cup hooks. I also like the magnetic cup hooks. I like them even better. But I already have a couple of these screwed into the ceiling, and I thought I could attach, have these in the ceiling and then attach these to it, and then still reinforce maybe down here below with some magnets. So I'm going to have to use Velcro on the sides, unless I think of something else. But anyway, I held this up there the best I could and marked with tape places where I need to sew these washers. And I just grabbed random washers from the garage. I kind of have different sizes. The bigger ones I think will be easier. What I don't know, and I may regret this, if they rattle. I don't know if they'll rattle. If they do, that could really be annoying if these are like jingling on the metal top. I suppose when I'm driving I could just unhook them and take them down. I don't need the mosquito net up when I'm driving. So anyway, let me know how you guys keep this up without it being a nuisance, without it coming down, without the Velcro detaching. I know some of them probably come with magnets at the top as well. I don't even remember where I got this. I think my son maybe had one left over from the ambulance, and I have a second one that I think this is the one I ordered, probably from Amazon. I don't remember. And this one's more gray. The other one is black, and I like the lighter gray. I thought I read somewhere that, like, when you're out hiking and stuff, you're better off wearing light colored shirts instead of dark colored shirts to keep the bugs away. So it only makes sense that they would be less attracted to light colored screen than dark colored screen. Good morning. Yes, it's still cold, but I'm going to have to take these off to get anything done out here. So I went and bought some more cup hooks because I didn't have enough. But as you can see, I've hung up the curtain where I did have hooks. So I'm just going to continue here. Doesn't take much to screw through these planks. Hopefully that's strong enough. So I did buy more Velcro. I bought some extreme outdoor tape that withstands the elements, holds up to 15 pounds. So I think this will be better than what maybe was included with it. It already has the backing on it. This is a little bit wider, but I don't think that'll matter. Obviously, I'm only going to use half of it, one side of it, which will be this side, right? Yep. I think I have 10 feet. Might not be quite enough if I do both sides. I'm hoping I can do some magnets on the other side. Typical going into this without a real idea what I'm doing. Over here, I can just tuck it. I hope you can see that. I don't know if you can. Over here, I'm just going to tuck it behind the shiplap and put some magnets up there. I do love the way these have magnets in them. You can fling them open and they catch on the door. I love that. All right, you know what? I think that was a good idea. What do you think? I think it was a good idea. If they don't rattle. Maybe I'll even stop here and do differently. Do a different piece below there. Okay, I'm gonna do this piece. I've cut it, I'm committed. All right, so I put a piece from here all the way down to here. Then I'll put another piece down here. And then I'll put a piece up here. So right now that I have gloves on, I'm going to make sure this is on good. Am I the only one that has problems with the Velcro that comes with these things sticking? See, I feel like this is even wanting to come up. Tell me your solutions. What did you guys do? Is it because it's cold out? Should I not be doing this in the cold? Maybe I should have read the directions. Yeah, look, it's coming right off. See? That's ridiculous. I shouldn't do that. I think it's going to work. I just need to work on that Velcro a little bit. Find that little magnetic hook that's here somewhere. Anyway, I think I could put a magnet here. Tuck that behind here. I might not even need Velcro up here. Anyway, what do you think? I think I'm going to call it a win. At least a partial win. Still got a little Velcro issue going on, but at least it's only in one area, not the whole damn thing. And this will sit together better once it warms up and stretches out a bit. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful, amusing, something, and I'd welcome any ideas, as always. And if you want to see more of what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Come back again.